Hey RG, Connor here from the marketing department, and I'm here today with Liz Foltynski, one of our agents. How you doing, Liz?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, good. Thanks
Good.
for sitting down.
Yeah.
And management team told me that you are just killing our listings upgrades for some of your properties. So I'm here today to just ask you a few questions about that. And you mentioned you have a couple favorites, one being Listings Platinum Plus, and the other one's being Listing to Leads, right?
That's right. Those are the two that I utilize the most.
Great. So just want some basic information. I mean, I don't know a ton about these platforms or upgrades either. So I just wanted to kind of pick your brain a little bit. First off, what is Listings Platinum Plus? Just in a quick couple of minutes.
So Listings Platinum Plus is a custom panel that we order for each property, which comes with 2 photos of the interior, or if you choose to do an exterior photo, you can, of the property. And on the panel, there are multiple locations that capture leads and are customized for that listing itself. And it
Okay.
replaces the standard panel that hangs in front of a property for sale.
Nice. Yeah, and you mentioned earlier that you really like the customization to it. Is that one of kind of your favorite aspects of the Listings Platinum Plus?
Yeah. So basically, not only does it capture leads if they come in through all of the options on the listing panel,
Yep.
I also use this customizable panel in my listing presentation, and the customer just loves how it's made just for them. It shows interior photos of their home, and it replaces any clunky flyer boxes or garbage on their lawn.
Sure.
And it draws attention. People stop and look at the signs, so they're
Totally.
really great.
Yeah, and I mean, it's all about the client and making them feel like they're getting more value, right? At the end of it.
That's right. That's right. And I am actually able to charge a little bit more on those listings, and it well pays for the sign.
Sure. Okay. No, good to know. Well, let's jump on to Listings to Leads. Just for somebody who doesn't know much about it, you want to summarize that for us?
Sure. Listings to Leads is another platform that RG uses. We have several different ways to post from listings to leads, and it shows like from coming soon listings to just listed, just pending, under contract, sold, and you can share those anywhere that you can put a link in, and then when people click on those links, all their information can get populated into Follow-Up Boss or whatever CRM you have it hooked up to. Me personally, I don't do a whole lot of lead business or lead gen, so I have it going all to Andy, and then he follows up for me.
There you go. Even easier for you, huh?
Yeah, yep, because I don't really, that's not my thing. I like doing referral business, and well, Andy likes doing leads, so it's a great partnership.
Yeah, do what you're good at, right?
Right.
So is that kind of your favorite feature to Listings to Leads, would you say?
I think it shows a clean representation too. When you put the listing online, I think it looks really sharp, and it looks better than me sharing it from the MLS.
Sure. Yeah,
so
a little cleaner and more professional looking.
Yeah, yep. And I can customize that as well. So I'm big on the customizing.
I like that. Yeah, you got to put your little personal touch on it, right?
Right. Yep.
Great. Well, I think that's it. Thanks for the time. And for all the other agents out there listening, if you have any questions or you want to sign up for some of these, contact Tabitha at rgplatforms@realtygroupmn.com. I will also put some links below the video here for you guys to kind of follow up on these different platforms. But Liz, thanks again for coming. I hope everything is going well at home for you.
It is. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, no problem.